So for today we are going to discuss money and school. I'll try my best to make this video short. So what is a school? A school is a place where we learn. I hope you understand that. A school is a place of learning, although we can learn anywhere, but a building specifically built for learning or an environment specifically kept for learning is called a school. Then what do we do in school? We learn. We learn things like science, we learn things like chemistry, biology, mass communication, business, many of them. We learn them in school. You understand? What is the advantage of going to school? Yeah, the advantage of going to school is for you to be educated, know things that you don't know. That's one. So you can be versatile. You can work you can do this, you can do that. You have knowledge of everything. No knowledge is wasted. So those are the advantage of schooling. Now, money. What is money? Money, in the layman term, money is paper. Money is something that we need. Every human being needs it to be able to purchase what he or she wants. Like you want to buy a car, you need money. You want to pay bills, you need money. So that sums up what is money. So now, which ways can we make this money? Growing up, they said when you go to school, you get a job, then you live a better life, you have money. But I think that's a lie. Yeah, I think that's a lie. Because when you go to school was basically built for learning, not making of money. So if you check the school system, you study accounting, you don't study how to make money. Never. You can never study how to make money in school. You study how to count people's money. So if you're going to school, go with the intention that I'm a big fan of chemistry, I want to know more about chemistry. Then you go to school, you study chemistry. I'm a big fan of living things, so I guess I should go and study biology. Then you do it for the passion, not for the money. If you're going to school so it will eradicate you from poverty or make you a lot of money, it's a lie. It's a big lie. School will never make you rich. Although I'm not trying to condemn school, try to get my point. There are two different things there. If you want to go to school, you go to school because you want to know something. You want to acquire knowledge about a particular thing, so you go to school. But if you are poor and you think by studying chemistry, then you get a job that will be paying you millions of dollars or thousands of dollars, it exists. Don't get me wrong, it exists. But it's very hard to see jobs that pays well. Number one, the rate of unemployment is very high. So what is the guarantee that if you go to school you still get a job and make huge money? So I'm not trying to talk down on school or anything, but with this viewpoint of mine, I'm able to let you know that school does not give you money. School educates you. So know the reason why you're going to school. Know your purpose. If you want to make money, I don't think school is the best idea for you. If you want to be creative, you can go to school to further your knowledge. Yeah. If you want anything knowing, you want to explore the world of the unknown, you can go to school. I'll teach you. But if you're going to make money, school is not the best place for you. So if you like this video, let me know, so I'll create more content like how to make this money, things you should do, things you should not do. Understand? I will be giving more tips on school and money, talent, skills, hard work, patience and everything. So subscribe to this channel, like the video, share. Continental Prince, I always got good intentions.